I got a kit car. We don't know exactly what color it is. It looks like burgundy, but I got the owner here.
Yeah,
Tell us about this car.
It's a 1932 Ford kit. It's
That's
got a
burgundy color.
Uh-oh, little kid said it's burgundy too, so we're all in agreement.
it's a 383 crate motor with a turbo 350 transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end.
It's fast,
And
all
it
right?
runs just as good as it looks. Yes, very fast.
Fast car. Wait for it. Let's get that full body shot. Hot, right? That is a beautiful car. Only thing, you don't want to be out when it rains.
No.
Luckily, we don't have a leather. That's what the vinyl's for, so in case it rains. Hey, why you got a helmet?
Just for looks.
Nice job, right? We like unique, and this is definitely one of one.